The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, in your Infiniti is a critical safety feature that continuously monitors your tire pressure using advanced sensors. Each tire contains a sensor that directly measures pressure and wirelessly transmits this data to your vehicle's computer system. The system monitors all four tires individually and alerts you to any pressure changes. Understanding your TPMS warning light is crucial. A solid light indicates low tire pressure in one or more tires, while a flashing light suggests a system malfunction or sensor battery failure. Modern Infiniti models from 2023 to 2025 feature advanced TPMS technology with detailed pressure readings displayed on your infotainment screen. Some models can even send alerts directly to your smartphone through Infiniti InTouch services. First, ensure all tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. This is typically between 32 and 35 psi for most Infiniti models. Always check pressure when tires are cold for accurate readings. Next, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate, confirming the electrical systems are active. Locate the TPMS reset button, which is typically found near the steering column, inside the glove compartment, or in the left knee panel area. The exact location varies by model year. Press and hold the TPMS reset button until the TPMS warning light blinks 3 times. This usually takes about 3 to 5 seconds. Release the button once you see the 3 blinks. Finally, drive your Infiniti for 10 to 15 minutes at speeds above 25 miles per hour. This allows the system to recalibrate and verify that all sensors are functioning properly. The TPMS light should turn off once the reset is complete. Your Infiniti TPMS reset is now complete. The system will continue monitoring your tire pressure and alert you to any future issues, helping ensure your safety and optimal vehicle performance. When your Infiniti TPMS warning light persists after resetting, there are specific troubleshooting steps to identify the root cause. The most common causes are slow tire leaks and sensor malfunctions. Slow leaks are particularly tricky because they don't cause sudden pressure drops or audible hissing sounds. Intermittent TPMS warnings often indicate a degrading sensor battery. These batteries typically last 8 to 10 years before requiring replacement. Different Infiniti models have specific reset procedures. Let's examine the 3 main categories of recent models. For Q50 and Q60 models from 2020 to 2025, the reset button is located in the glove compartment and requires a 20-minute drive cycle for complete calibration. QX50 and QX60 models from 2022 to 2025 use a menu-based reset system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then TPMS reset through the infotainment system. The QX80 from 2021 to 2025 has a physical reset button near the left knee panel. Hold for 3 seconds with ignition on, then drive for 15 minutes or more. Modern Infiniti TPMS systems are highly advanced, detecting pressure loss within 2 to 3 minutes and maintaining accuracy within plus or minus 1.5 psi. To maintain optimal TPMS performance, check tire pressure monthly and adjust for seasonal temperature changes. Cold weather can cause natural pressure drops that may trigger false warnings.